This week alone, 25 functionalities were updated, and more than 10 user journeys changed in digital banking across the largest banks, hundreds if you include regional banks. And you know nothing about it. Your digital banking competition is evolving rapidly, and this is causing a lot of threats to arise. Today, I'm going to solve 5 of your problems regarding your digital banking services using real data in under 8 minutes. 1. Where do you stand? 2. What is your competition offering to their happy customers? 3. Why are their customers happy? 4. Are they too far ahead of you? 5. And most importantly, how do you win this fight? How do I know these answers? I know because in FinTech Insights, we use real bank accounts and we analyze inside out high street banks, challengers, and regional banks. Let me say that again. We use real bank accounts and we analyze inside out high street banks, challengers, and regional banks, both your direct and indirect competition. I'm Marenia, Head of Business Development at Scientia, and today we'll present our web-based digital banking research tool, FinTech Insights. Question 1. Where do you stand? We know your position. We know the exact position of all your competition. Why? Because we have identified every single function and transaction you offer across all channels. More than that, we know the user experience you provide for every single user journey.
Okay, so show me as an example, where does Simple stand with their iOS app?
Well, Simple stands amongst the challengers, having 91 functionalities and offering 789 user experience score.
What about the web channel? Is that the same story?
It seems that yes, they still stand in the challengers, yet they offer 8 functionalities less, but a higher UX score, that of 903. And now that we have the exact market positioned, let's see what your competition is doing. Question 2. What is your competition offering to their happy customers? We have every single one of their offerings analyzed and in video. We analyze digital banking from A to Z, from online account opening and KYC to wealth management and open banking. Anything you have ever seen in digital banking worldwide is analyzed in FinTech Insights, from the most common to the rarest functionalities in digital banking. For example, let's jump together into cards and all the way down to debit card settings. This is everything Bank of America offers in their Android app. So can a user configure their card limit? Let's see. And seeing how is as easy as watching a video. But can they do the same on the web? Sure they can. With one click, we will jump into the web channel. And now you're watching how. But what about any other bank? Select any bank you want from our breadcrumb and jump right into their analysis to see how they allow their users to configure their card limits. Question 3. Why are their customers happy? Well, it's because of the experience they get from them, how easy you make their lives. And FinTech Insights has an objective way to measure the user experience so that you can compare yourself against them and understand how to become better. How? We analyze hundreds of user journeys for every single bank. And we analyze all these user journeys for every single channel that they're offered. And when we say we analyze, we really mean business. We have every single step the user needs to make from start to finish to complete a user journey.
Okay, so I'm a little curious here. How do you actually get that UX measurement?
Great question. Well, do you see all these points above the user steps? They are different for, let's say, typing or out of platform steps. Based on these different step types, we deduct these points from the perfect user experience. Now, what is the perfect user experience? For us, the perfect user experience would be if a user could execute anything in a blink of an eye. That would get 1,000 points, the perfect user experience. And this is how we get this measurement. For example, the user experience for Wells Fargo, for the user need to transfer money to another Wells Fargo account for the first time, is only 310 out of 1,000. So now you have an X-ray picture of your competition in terms of functionality and user experience. Question 4. Are they too far ahead of you? Let's find out together. Let's say you are Demobank. Is your competition the entire market? Here is how you stand against it. This is your position against the best, average, and worst in the market. Is your competition someone specific, for example, Bank of America? Let's choose them as our direct competitor. We can show you how you compare against them as well, and we do so in such detail that you have never seen before. For example, Bank of America is beating you when it comes to what they offer in money management, and you are only average. Question 5, the most important of all. How do you win this fight? We will equip your arsenal with the most powerful tools. Here is an actual functionality gap analysis. Explore what you have unique, what you share in common with your competitor, and most importantly, what they have but you don't. Did you see what we just did? In under 10 seconds, we found out what I have unique, what we share in common, and what they have but I don't.
Wow, so it's just that simple at the end, just a single number?
Absolutely not. We reached the lowest level of information possible. So, to answer your question, it's not just the number. Bank of America has 15 unique functionalities in money management that only they have, but you don't. That is, as you said, just a number. One more click into this category, and I can show you all of them. And if you're interested in a specific one from the list, all you have to do is another click in order to go to that analysis. From there, you can watch the video and check how well they score for it in terms of UX. What takes an entire team of people, months of hard work and analysis, and unlimited resources, now done in minutes using FinTech insights. We use real bank accounts. We act as real customers, share and measure their experiences with you. We offer FinTech insights on an annual license fee. But please come over our booth so that we can discuss the solution to these 5 problems together.